Barubus.
Go. Zulu, be nice to brother. Zulu, be nice to your brother. Love on him.
She's eating his entire face.
Love on brother. Be nice. That's your baby brother. Be nice to him. Go get him. Get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Look at that face. Look at that face. Go get sister. Go get sister. Zinga, come. Ready? Set. Go. Sue, what are you doing? Wrestling?
I'm having fun.
Go. What happened? Oh, bless you. People are watching? Is that what happens?
Kitty, kitty.
Aww. Go!
Goodness.
Look at that. You look like a bunny. Ready? Go get him! Go get brother. That's my shoe.
Sure it was.
Zinga, come on. Come on. Go. Look at Zinga. It's beautiful. You're burrowing? Oh, what?
It's like he disappeared.
You like your new bed? Yeah? Zulu, you want the new bed? Go get the bed. Go get the bed. Woo!
Oh my.
That was cool, Zulu, under the chair. Get brother. Get brother. Go get him.
He won't engage.
Where are you going? Get him.
Come on, Zulu. Get
Come
him.
on, Zulu, get him. Get brother. Go get him. Go get brother. Go get brother. Go. Go get him. Boom. Oh, baby.
Did you just make the blooper reel? Aw, sorry.
Come on, babe.
It's okay.
Go get him. Go
It's
get brother.
okay.
What? You're so handsome.
Face.
You're so handsome.
Look
Look,
at that face.
he's twitching. Why are you twitching?
He's like, I'm ready for my close up. Hey Barubus fans, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that button too. And don't forget the bell so that you'll get the notifications and you won't miss out on all the fun.